My name is Kate Fox-Lent, and this is a demonstration of my 15112 term project at Carnegie Mellon University. I've created a moving bubble graphing tool to help visualize multivariable data sets. Here you can see I have a sample data set that includes energy production and consumption for different regions of the world from 2007 through 2012, along with changes in the populations of those regions. So I can open my graphing tool and find my sample data set. And here I have 6 graph features that I can assign these variables to. I would like to graph the regions of the world as individual bubbles on the graph. I'd like those bubbles to move to show changes over time, so the year will control the motion. I'll graph energy production and consumption on the X and Y axis. And for now, I will plot the size of the bubble as proportional to the population of each region, and we'll leave color empty. When the graph appears, I can see that I still have my variable assignments listed here to the left, and in the screen are the different regions of the world plotted for the year 2007. The size of the bubble corresponds to the population of the region, and by turning on the labels, I can see which region is which. The area with the largest population is Asia, and a smaller population but still with high energy production and consumption is North America. When I hover over a bubble, a small box pops up to show the specific data for that data point. I can turn the labels off and then see how the energy use and production changes over time by using the step arrows to move through time 2008, 9, 10, 11, and 12, or use the play button to continuously loop through these time variables. I can also turn on tracks to see the path of each bubble as it moves through time, but the size of these bubbles covers most of the path. So I will remove the population as the size variable, so that now we can see more of the path of each bubble over time. Alternatively, you can click on an individual bubble to see its entire path. In addition to assigning random colors to each bubble, I can assign a variable to the color. Here, if I choose hemisphere, the variables will be color-coded according to Eastern and Western Hemisphere. Or if instead of using categorical data, I use numerical data, such as, say, population, the bubbles will be colored in along a color gradient that indicates the relative population of each country. At any point in time, you can click on the Instructions button, and a pop-up screen will explain more about how variables can be assigned to each graph feature. These graph features can be combined in a number of ways to help you effectively communicate the relationships in your data. Thank you.